Right now, there's an investing app making serious waves in Australia, and it just launched in New Zealand too. Many investors haven't made the jump yet, but the ones who have are already unlocking professional research tools, competitive fees, and sign-up bonuses that honestly blow most other brokers away. In today's video, I'm breaking down why I think Moomoo might just be the most underrated investing app of 2025. So let me show you 8 reasons why. Let's start with market access. For Aussie and Kiwi investors, Moomoo offers trading in 3 key markets: Australia, Hong Kong, and the United States. In each market, you can trade both stocks and ETFs. Just deposit your funds, convert to one of 3 currencies on Moomoo, and you're good to go. Moomoo also offers US options trading. Here is where Moomoo really starts to separate itself from the pack. First up, on certain US stocks, you can trade 24/5. That means you can trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. No more waiting around till midnight for the American markets to open like you would with many of the other platforms. You can buy and sell US stocks anytime from Monday to Friday, a step ahead of the rest. And second, Moomoo offers CHESS sponsorship on ASX shares. Most brokers hold your shares under what's called a custodian model. But Moomoo also offers CHESS-sponsored trading, meaning the shares are owned in your name, not the broker's. We'll dig into why that matters later, but it's a major plus for serious investors. Second up, let's talk fees. Outside of the investment itself, nothing impacts your returns more than the fees you pay. Moomoo offers a competitive fee structure that is very user-friendly. Trading in US shares and ETFs, Moomoo charges a flat platform fee of 99 US cents per trade in both New Zealand and Australia, in addition to not charging a commission fee. There are a few pass-through costs as well, as you can see here. Trading in Australian shares and ETFs, the total brokerage fee, including the platform and commission fees, will set you back $3 Australian or 0.03% of the trade in Australia. Over in New Zealand, it'll set you back $4.99 in Australian dollars, or 0.05% of the trade. And finally, trading in Hong Kong shares and ETFs, Moomoo charges a flat platform fee of 15 Hong Kong dollars, plus commission of $3 or 0.03% on the trade. This is the same for both New Zealand and Australian users. To purchase investments through Moomoo, you may need to exchange currency. For New Zealand investors, you can deposit or withdraw your Kiwi dollars with no fees. When exchanging into Australian, US, or Hong Kong dollars, these are the FX fees you'll incur. Australian investors can likewise deposit and withdraw Aussie dollars. When exchanging to US or Hong Kong dollars, these FX rates will apply. And finally, we have the fees on options trading. You have 2 options to choose from, a fixed plan and a tiered plan. Depending on your trading frequency, you can decide which one suits better. For the latest fees, make sure to check out my link down below in the video description for Aussie and Kiwi investors. Third up, let's talk about Moomoo's platform security. Moomoo's parent company, Futu Holdings, is listed on the Nasdaq exchange with a market cap of over $9 billion at the time this video was made. Being a publicly traded company means they face intense scrutiny from investors, auditors, and regulators, not just locally, but globally. Today, more than 25 million users around the world trust Moomoo with their investments. Moomoo is regulated by ASIC in Australia and is registered with the Financial Service Providers Register in New Zealand. So there are layers of scrutiny from the public markets, regulatory bodies, and millions of investors. Adding to that, Moomoo keeps all investment assets and cash outside of their trading entity. So when you deposit cash into Moomoo, in Australia it's stored with HSBC and Commonwealth Bank, while in New Zealand it's kept with JP Morgan Chase. These aren't just small local banks, these are some of the largest, most stable financial institutions anywhere in the world. So there are many layers of security when it comes to using the Moomoo platform. Fourth, let's talk about Moomoo stock analysis tools. When we open up a stock, like Apple here for example, the first thing we see is a chart. Here, and on the desktop app, you can overlay over 100 technical indicators. These include moving averages, Bollinger Bands, creating multiple charts, drawing, and more. Usually, you'd need to rely on third-party paid software like TradingView, but with Moomoo, it's all here for free. Below that, you have access to Level 2 real-time market data, another feature you either don't get with other brokers or you need to pay extra for. Here on Moomoo, it's all free within the platform. This is useful if you want to understand a stock's liquidity in real time by seeing actual trades taking place in real time. And as we scroll down, we just get more and more data to help with technical stock analysis. Jumping over into the Company tab, we get a lot of data to perform fundamental analysis as well. There is lots to cover here, but one of my favorite aspects is the operating data and revenue breakdown. Here we get something I haven't seen on any other app, where Moomoo shows you key metrics many investors miss. For Apple, we can see things like their smartphone shipments and their market share over time. These are things that as investors we often don't look at, but probably should. We can also see the makeup of their revenue by business, such as iPhone versus Mac and geography, which is interesting to see. As we scroll down a bit, the financial indicators are helpful if you want to get a glance of some operating metrics over time. You can also use this data to build out a DCF using the free cash flow information. Then we have our financial statements. If you click on a heading, you can drill down into the data by quarter or year for all three financial statements with a dynamic chart. As I scroll down, there is just more and more data to draw insights from when analyzing a stock. There are also community forums, a news tab, and options quotes for stocks. Basically, just an abundance of data both on the mobile and desktop apps. And again, it's all for free on Moomoo and could help you make better investment decisions. Fifth, let's talk about Moomoo's trading options. Moomoo has probably the most comprehensive suite of buy and sell options I've seen on a trading app. There are 13 options in total, offering way more flexibility than most apps that only offer the basics. A limit buy and sell allows you to specify a stock price. If you can buy a stock at that price or lower, or sell for that price or higher, Moomoo will execute the trade. A market buy or sell trade allows you to buy or sell stock at the next available price. Market on close is an option I haven't seen before, allowing you to buy or sell as close to market close as possible. One other option I'd like to mention is the stop order, which is useful if you want to protect your downside if a stock plummets into a freefall. So Moomoo offers a much more comprehensive set of trade options that many other brokers don't. Outside of the order types, we can view the stock chart, select from a bunch of trade options, and view the live market data all from a single screen. Sixth, let's take a look at the Stock Screener tool. Those that follow the channel know I am an avid user of stock screeners. These services charge you for access to their screener tools, but here it's built in with no extra charge. You can do this on the mobile and desktop app, but I find it easier to show on the desktop app. Here I'm showing one of Moomoo's default options to find high dividend American stocks with a PE ratio under 20, earnings growth of at least 5%, and a yield of at least 3%. That gives us around 100 stocks that we can do further due diligence on. If we switch over to Australian stocks, we can use the drop-down at the top of the screen. Just like that, we have 14 or so Australian stocks to search through. So to get this kind of functionality for free, that usually you'd have to pay for, is an amazing upside on Moomoo. Seventh, let's talk news, community, and support. Moomoo has access to several top news sources which frequently update in the app. You have the option to scroll through the headlines, sort for the latest news, or filter for news about stocks in your watch list only. This saves a lot of time setting up email alerts or Googling for news on your stocks. The Earnings tab will keep you up to speed on the latest releases and a calendar of when to expect updates. And of course, Moomoo offers 24/5 trading, allowing you to pounce during pre-market and after-market trading hours. On the community side, Moomoo has built out a forum where you can follow others or even publish your own stock research for others to read. It's a bit like Twitter for your trading insights. And finally, Moomoo have several ways to reach out to their team. The first option is to call their customer support team directly, using a 0800 number in New Zealand or a 1300 in Australia. Second, you can ask questions through their online inquiry tool. It comes up initially with chatbot options, but if you type agent, you'll have the option to speak to a human. In a market where most platforms hide behind email support, having someone you can call or live message gives massive peace of mind. When I bought my house, I withdrew 80 grand from Sharesies. This was a tense time waiting for the transfer into my account, and having someone I could call would have made the process a lot less stressful. Eighth, Moomoo is bringing a great sign-up offer. After opening an account with Moomoo, depending on the size of your deposit, you can receive up to 12 free stocks. A $500 deposit gives you 3 spins, $2,000 7 spins, and $8,000 12 spins. Each spin rewards you with one of these 6 stocks. To qualify, your deposit must be held in Moomoo for a minimum of 30 days, and the balance of shares and cash must be greater than 80% of the deposit threshold. New users in both Australia and New Zealand also get free brokerage for their first 30 days on US and ASX trades once their account has been opened. So if you're based on Australia and New Zealand and ready to sign up for Moomoo, make sure to check out my link down below in the video description. You'll find all of the sign-up details there. Also make sure to check out this video here, which covers all the things to consider when analyzing a stock investment. As always, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Cheers.